In this video, we're going to teach you how to do a beautiful structured gel manicure using Fuzion Fortify. The first step to a successful nail service is always prep. Prep your cuticle and natural nail, making sure there are no oils or debris left on the nail. Then we're going to cleanse thoroughly with Fuzion Cleanser and start with our application of Bond. Bond is an air-dry nail bonder that works as a two-sided sticky tape to ensure success for every enhancement. Apply 1 to 2 coats of Bond from cuticle to free edge, making sure that you have zero skin contact. Now we're going to move on to applying Construct. Construct is available in a clear formula or also in multiple colors. You're going to want to use your clear Construct when building up more structure, and your color Construct can be used as a base or for thinner structured gel enhancements. For this video, we are using Color Construct Whitney. We're going to apply a thin slip layer. Gel follows gel, so you want to make sure there's zero skin contact and that this application is as perfect as you can be. Once we've applied that slip layer, we're going to go back with a secondary bead and float it right down the center of the nail using a U motion as you see here in the video. Making sure that you get all the way down to the free edge of the nail and just lightly cap the end. You're going to now take a number 1 Fuzion detailer and detail the free edge as well as the sides to get your application as accurate as possible. Once you're happy with your application, flip your client's nail over and let the gravity do the work to perfect the gel even further. Cure this nail for 60 seconds in your Fuzion UV LED lamp. Once your nail is fully cured, you're going to want to remove the dispersion layer with a brand new lint-free wipe and Fuzion cleanser. It is very important to remove this sticky layer before filing. Detail the sides and also the free edge with a 180 grit file. We find a softer file will give you a more refined edge. Then we're going to take a soft to medium buffer and buff the entire surface of the nail in preparation for our gel polish application. You could absolutely choose to just apply a top coat at this point, as this color is beautiful. For this video, we are going to be applying Fuzion Fortify Gel Polish number 49. This is a beautiful forest green with a shimmer. We're going to apply 1 coat from cuticle to free edge, cure for 60 seconds, and then apply our second coat. Fortify gel polishes are created in the same chemical base as our HEMA-free Construct, so they offer superior flexibility and adhesion for natural nail manicures as well as structured gel manicures. Once you're happy with the application of your polish, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in your Fuzion lamp and then apply your top coat. Fortify Gloss is a beautiful tack-free top coat. Apply 1 coat from cuticle to free edge with light pressure, ensuring that your top coat is perfect before you put it in the lamp. What your top coat looks like before you put it in the lamp is exactly what it will look like when it comes out, so it's really important to take a few extra moments to make sure this step is done perfectly. Once you've cured for 60 seconds in your Fuzion lamp, detail the sides and the free edge for a perfect finish. Make sure to turn your file right on its side so that you don't file any of your color off. And then you're ready to apply either Fuzion Finish or your favorite Fuzion cuticle oil. We hope you've enjoyed this video and that this has helped you be able to learn how to work with our Fortify 3-step structured gel manicure system. For more information, visit our website at fuziongel.com.